What causes HVAC systems to smell burnt? Burnt odors usually come from dust, an overheating part, an electrical problem, or debris touching a hot surface. When a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system starts after sitting unused, dust on the heat exchanger or electric heating coils can briefly smell burnt. This often fades within a few minutes, but the smell should not keep getting stronger. A clogged air filter can restrict airflow, making the furnace, blower motor, or heating coils work harder and become dangerously hot. Worn belts, failing motors, loose wires, damaged capacitors, and melting plastic can also create a sharp electrical or burning odor. Sometimes a small object, such as a toy, paper, or insulation, gets pulled into the system and scorches near a hot part. A lesser-known cause is dust or pet hair collecting inside the blower compartment, where it can heat up even when the filter looks clean. Turn the system off immediately if you smell burning plastic, see smoke, hear buzzing, notice a tripped circuit breaker, or feel unusually hot air from the vents. Replace a dirty filter if it is safe to do so, but have a qualified technician inspect persistent odors instead of repeatedly restarting the system. A common mistake is assuming every burnt smell is harmless dust, so treat a sharp electrical or plastic odor as a warning and shut the system off. Another mistake is replacing the filter with one that is too restrictive, which can reduce airflow, so use the size and airflow rating recommended for your system. People also sometimes spray deodorizer into the vents, but that only hides the odor and may damage parts, so find and fix the source instead. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.